In primetime news this evening, school shooting. Admin assistant shot and injured by gunman at Community College in St. Andrew. St. Thomas community rocked by double murder. And counterfeit sugar. CTOC swoops down on illegal operation in downtown Kingston.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on MP? Let me read that one more time. What are your thoughts on MP Heroy Clark's proposal for mandatory paternity testing for all babies born in Jamaica? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.